Hello everybody and welcome to Portland, located here in Ionia County, Michigan. We are here at Father Flo Field Park off of Grand River and Union, where we got this really unique Federal Signal 2001 DC Roundback siren that we're going to see here in action today. It actually already went off. I was running late on time a little bit. I had about 4 minutes to spare when I got here because I was doing some filming around Lansing, East Lansing, and eventually another area as well. Because today we're doing not one but two sirens again, just like we did last month. Because Ionia County, they test their sirens on the first Saturday of the month at 12 p.m. as opposed to 1 like most counties do. The testing schedule for Ionia County is very similar as well to Lapeer County as well. They only test April through October, and today being May 3rd, figured, May of 2020 was when I filmed my first siren test, because April of that same year, they canceled the test due to severe weather that was possibly going to move in. So we are here today celebrating 5 years of siren photography. Yep, May of 2020, during the time of COVID, was when I got my first video, that 2001 near my area, going off. And today I wanted to do something special, so we're getting not one but two siren tests today. Ionia County first, because they test at 12 p.m. and then we'll head over to a different county and city to catch another siren going off at 1 p.m. With that being said, let's cut the video and we will get the siren in action. So here we go. that's going to conclude the test here in Ionia County, Michigan. This is Portland at Grand River Road and Union here at the forgot the name of the park. I'll be sure to put it in the title and description. It's Father something Park here in Ionia County, Michigan, Portland, city of Portland, Michigan. That's going to do it for this siren test. We have one more that we'll be doing today. It will be in a different county as well. That will be happening at 1 p.m. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. It was pretty cool to see this Roundback 2001 DC in action. So that'll be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed. And that will be it.